What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. We back in the building with another one. Yeah, guys, from you see from the video, from the title, what we're dealing with today. Yeah, we're dealing with Silk Boss, Toxic. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. We back in the building, back in the music lab for another banger. Yeah, guys, and today you see from the title what we're dealing with. Today we're dealing with Silk Boss. Yeah, Silk Boss is there with Silk Boss back in the building. Another one, guys. You don't know. Silk Boss always got a lot of controversy and all type of stuff surrounding his name in social media. You see me? But one thing you can't deny, he's very talented and he's got a lot of a lot of music, very talented and lyrics. So he dropped a song recently that everybody's like saying that it's pertaining to him and his girl situation and shit. Sometimes like his girl left him for another nigga or something like that. So yeah, we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. It's Silk Boss, Toxic. Guys, if you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on that post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload. You already know. But now we're going all over the boss. Silk Boss, man, I don't know what's going on with Silk Boss. Come like Silk Boss said shit in a church or something, because there's a lot of things just be happening to him. You see me? And he seems like a good dude. You know what I'm saying? Like from the interviews, all seem positive and all type of stuff. So I don't know why all type of controversy be reaching him. Ever since him and Teardown fell out, it's just been a lot of crazy stuff. But yeah, we're not even gonna hold up the vibes on shots longer, guys. This is Silk Boss, Toxic. Let's get it. Well, on them, man, see what I'm going, cause Silk Boss, really talented dude. I don't know. We want to make sure say no everything I feel right. You see me? I'm excited to see what he's gonna do on this track. You know what I'm saying? Cause as I said, very talented artist. You see me? And I always follow lyrics and them things. So once we are going, hopefully the thing about him and his baby man not true. So once again, Silk Boss, Toxic. Let's get it.
But it's like a nonsense phone. Anytime we get together, this
Hello, please leave your message
Such a sweet
after
tune.
the tone.
Go suck your mama, girl, can't bother with the talking. As a G, me never know I saw you heartless. It's like you want me wally and drop it by your ass head. You have a
You see that one? I say that have song aggressive. I shoot and she answer her phone down. No waste. No time. And you know, hi, no buy, no good money, man. Say, go suck your mother, girl. You never know I say you heartless. I want to you, man.
man, I fuck you now and I return, me call them. Our day, me coulda shoot up in market. But when me pray, me say never make her ass say.
My dog say, well, then could I shoot up the next man and kicks that. Dad, don't get yourself in trouble over whom you Silk Boss. You see me, future bright, brother. You don't want to dash your career in the future.
Yes. Girl, you want in my arms, them low not fuck until you want me. But it's alright, okay. Me fully accept if me not see you again. Wonder if you find a new man where I spend. Me not feel no.
It's alright, okay, man. Alright, I'm gonna see you again. Wonder if, yo, shit. I wonder if I find a new man where I spend, dog. Yo, Bree. You mash up your dog head, man. Go on.
Yeah. I just a life say I'm alright, okay. And I'm doing great. Wonder if you find a new man where I spend. Me not feel no way. When me say me alright, just know me never good. Every day me there, so my girl, me missing you.
Dog. So every time I say me never good, dog. I lie to himself and I lie to she, dog. I'm telling you, dog. You must be there, you know. When I head and mash up and sing and pull on. Hey.
Our day me spot the video in the living room with you. I move like a blues. Yeah, me have to talk it truth. A month of memory flashback, fuck up my brain for choke. Me see a brother Fred body and ask him for you. Me love a girl, me love your boo. One more chance, me beg you do. No, say me fuck.
Last time I see a brother friend and I ask him for you. Dog ask everybody you see. Everybody that come across, dog try to get in contact, ask him and see you that Jaja.
Fuck, but me can be a better man for you. But it's alright, okay. Me fully accept if me not see you again. Wonder if I find a new man where I spend. Me not feel no way. I just a life say I'm alright, okay. And I'm doing great. One day
I'm alright, okay. But I'm doing great.
if if I find a new man.
Tell the youth, I know, the youth are deep, you know, that can find topic and subject matter. And one thing, Silk Boss, no. Silk Boss really good at how to put him life on the track, you know, dog. Anything that go through that, no, if you put it on it, put it on a beat already, write it down and it turn in our song, dog.
I spend, me no feel no way. Hey, girl, I figure way. How the pussy where you say I feel me, I don't feel me. I may have called down your phone and get a black and delay. Move the mind, I can't link you make.
Girl, if you go ahead, the pussy you say for money, I don't feel me, eh? I want to tell man, the man call and be a black and did it. A wicked girl in there, you know that. A wicked woman do anything there, you know that.
You fuck up your face. I say you make me and pray. Me wish me get a call tomorrow and me hear say you're dead. Somebody chop off your head. I joke me and make. Just come home to me. Suck your mama girl can't bother with the talking. As a G, me never know and so you're heartless. It's like you want me hold and drop it for your ass head. You have a man.
You have a man like more and drop it on your ass neck, eh, girl. Then you know, so I say, hey, I'm there with kid yellow dog. If you do that to me, dog, Silk Boss, dog. Good you, dog. You see, but I try to carry a few money, you, dog. You just go do this to me, dog, yo. No, man, dog. You can't do that, dog. You're wicked, dog. Them girls are wicked, them wicked.
I fuck you know, you're not return my call.
Silk Boss, me G.
Our day, I could have shoot up
Yes, I go all I wash off, me G. You see me say some prayer chants on songs, me dog.
in my cakes. When me pray, me say never make her sense. Girl, I want wanting and me arms them. No, not fuck until I want me. But it's alright, okay. Me fully accept if me not see you again. Wonder if you find a new man we I spend. Me not feel no way. I just all I say. I'm alright, okay. I'm doing great. Wonder if I find a new man we I spend.
Yo, not gonna lie. People, what y'all think about this one, man? Silk Boss real talented, man. There's no denying that. No matter how I go on, man, say that girl clown, the dog getting her feelings too much and all, the dog love too much, you know what I'm saying? But, yo, real talent there, someone.
There's no that there. Me that confuse me, you know. Real G, you know, real soldier, you know. One silk in a smooth chain.
No, man, me not lie, dog. Silk Boss, the talented dog. Enough more tune. Yeah, enough more tune for react to Silk Boss for still in a dog. You see me, because Silk Boss have some good tune, bro. You see me, might not have the biggest buzz and everything, but them song they solid. You see me, and they have message and meaning and lyrics. Now I ain't gonna capture. Yeah, man. If you really relax to more Silk Boss over here, so. Silk Boss, big up yourself. Jano, dog, girl. If a man has spent a little bit more, you don't know, girl ain't gone down. No loyalty in the day, right on time, also. Easy, no. Silk Boss. Yeah, man. Dog, that Silk Boss, man. Do him thing. That Silk Boss, toxic people. Silk Boss, toxic. Yeah, man. Brei, you're a wicked girl for mash up with dog, get some, man. After I die on social media 5 years so hard. You see me how another woman I try to come there and picture that. How you go do your dog that, man? Jano, man. Wicked, man. But yeah, man, people, Silk Boss, big up yourself. You're a real talented youth. People will know think about that one day. Yeah, definitely. If you love it, go show the artists on level and support, make you know the Jambisco dance anyway, you know? Don't let me know what you want me to react to next time. I definitely get it done, guys. Drop your suggestion in the comment section. Send me messages on IG. You already know, and I get it done, guys. You already know what time it is. The boy Jambisco. I was here now, hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.